Hello guys, I have brought to you a new video and I welcome you. In this video, I'll be discussing about the verb, continuation of the verb. So let's first of all have short recap of the previous video. In the present, we had the formation of the verb as subject, emissary, object. In the past, we had the formation subject was verb plus object. The future subject shall or will be plus object. In each formation has negative form. Negative form. Present is subject, am, is, are plus not plus object. In the past, subject was verb plus not plus object. In the same way, in the future, subject shall or will plus not plus be plus object. In this video, we will be discussing regarding the interrogative form. So, in the present, let's see the interrogative form, the formation. The formation is am, is, are plus subject plus object. In the past was were plus subject plus object. We have to use question mark. In the future, shall or will plus subject plus be plus object question mark. So let us see the example in comparison to the other two. Positive, suppose I am a scientist. Negative would be I am not a scientist. Interrogative, it would be, since M is there, M will come first. I, then a scientist. This one comes question mark. I think it is very well understood. One more we can give the example. He is an actor. We can make it negative as he is not an actor. We can make it interrogative as is will come first. He an actor. This is the example of present. In the same way, we can have the example of past too. So let's make it past. The past form we have he was an artist. We can make it he was not an artist. Interrogative, was he an artist? I think it is clear. You see, was where plus subject plus object. Since there is a he as a subject, was is followed by he. So, was she an artist? Let's one more example. Positive, negative, interrogative. She is a dancer. She is not a dancer. Is she a dancer? This is the example of present. Again, we can go for the past one. So, let's go for the first one. She was a dancer. Make it negative. She was not a dancer. Interrogative, was she a dancer? Yes. This is the example of present. So let's go for the example of future. Positive. I shall be a doctor. Make it negative. I shall not be a doctor. I can make it interrogative. Shall I be a doctor? So let's see one more example for the future one. We shall be engineers. Negative, we shall not be engineers. Make it interrogative, shall we be engineers? So today this video, let's bind up here. If you like this video, just let me know.